Aesthetic means related to beauty or good appearance. It is used to talk about how something looks or feels beautiful. In simple words, aesthetic equals something that looks beautiful or pleasing. When we say something is aesthetic, we mean it looks nice and feels good to see. People use the word aesthetic for art and paintings, photos and videos, rooms and houses, clothes and style. This room has an aesthetic design. It looks very beautiful. She posted an aesthetic photo on Instagram. The photo looks nice and pleasing. More simple example sentences. The cafe has an aesthetic look. I like aesthetic colors. His notebook has an aesthetic cover. Daily life examples. Soft lights make a room more aesthetic. Clean desks look aesthetic. Simple and neat clothes can be aesthetic. Student sentence. I like aesthetic drawings in my notebook. Easy memory trick. Aesthetic equals beauty and good look.